Look at that, we got our Drifta bar set up here at the Drifta Stockton Superstore, 14 Enterprise Close, West Gosford. Getting more gear here. We've got the shower trays, all of our Australian made canvas bags, all of our recovery gear. We've got Zebra, Snow Peak, Uniflame, lots of gear. These just turned up today, so that's our air mattress. Okay, so Drifta Stockton branded air mattress. Look, our bag, a little bit big, but once you folded it up a couple of times, perfect fit. Got the chairs, the stretchers, lots of gear here, charcoal, and we've just set up our new Drifta Stockton awning on display. We've got our caravan extension benches from Drifta and the new Wildlands rooftop tent. So that's going to stay here on display for the moment. Come down and check it out. Drifta Stockton Superstore. Thanks guys. Hey guys, here at our West Gosford Drifta Stockton Superstore. Going to give you a quick look, opening up our new Wildlands rooftop tent. Okay. Low and light, look at that. You can put solar panels, anything you like on top. Pops that up. You're going to extend these bows out. Tighten that up there. Tighten. The ladder can store separately. All right. And that's it. Set up, ready to go. Right, here's our new Drifta Wildlands rooftop tent. I'm going to see if I can fold it up in less than a minute. The first thing to do inside here, okay, is a couple of clips. Release this here off, down. Folds in like that. Ladder goes away. And that's it. Ready to go. Very quick and easy. Look how low that is. Okay. Really good latches. These are our little Drifta side awning hold down kits. Okay. So what it is, if you've got this hold down kit, you've got the spring on there, the wind gets under these, okay, you've got the spring to give it a bit of give, and really importantly, you've got this bit of double-sided Velcro, holds your pole alongside your peg. Now, if you haven't got that Velcro there, the wind blows the pole up, okay, and it swings up and breaks the knuckles. Now, what we've got in the kit, it's got our Drifta Australian made bag, we've got the double-sided Velcro, 2 bits of that. We've got some really good quality ropes. We've got a couple of sand stakes, 50cm sand stakes, the springs, the pegs, a couple of S-binders, okay? And also, we've got 2 of these little straps here we can tie it down to the awning with. So, fully set up, ready to go. There you guys, so here's the Drifta Stockton Director's Chair, okay? And quickly show you how to open it up. Bag's nice and roomy, okay. So fold him out like that. And there's just a clip down here, okay, so you want to pull that up and get that clipped on. Okay, so we've got to clip that up there. And now you just need to make sure the rear of the legs are spread out as well. And that's it, ready to go. Okay, so yeah, make sure it's nicely spread out, and that's it. You've got your little table, got your pockets here. It's the first product we had in the Stockton range, so it's a really nice director style chair with a little side coffee table, and you've got pockets here for your beer, your smokes, or your phone, also inside here. So to fold them up, okay, just got to release that clip there. Okay. This folds down, the backrest folds down, get them together, and then the folds over the top like that. You can pick it up like that, okay? Fits nicely in the bag. Alright, so that's the bag there. Nice strong bag, fits nicely, and that's our Drifta Stockton director's chair. Plenty in stock, ready to go. Thanks guys. Okay, so we're just rolling up the air mattress. Comes with a couple of straps. And that's about as good as you're ever going to get it. You know, still nothing wrong with that. Not too bulky. And that's as tight as you can roll it. You won't get any bigger than about there. Now, if the bag was that size, it's impossible to get back on again. And even if you didn't roll it up quite as tight as I have, that's just sitting really nice. So that's our Drifta Stockton air mattress. Really comfy, great little unit, and a nice bag to go in. Today guys, I'm going to show you quickly our Drifta connection bench range. Okay, this is really good for putting off the side of your caravan. Okay, all you need to get started is the Drifta IGT connection hook. Okay, so that goes on the side of your caravan. Once you've got that, then you can attach these benches with the Snow Peak IGT connection hook. Okay, so that goes through there. Alright, now this is our little table. Right, so you can just connect that onto the bracket with the connection hooks. We've got here also some Snow Peak IGT height adjusters, and then we've dropped down onto another aluminium version of the Drifta connection bench. So this is ideal for putting your Weber here. You've got some bench space right next to your caravan, and all folds up very easily and just connects on. So that's really set up. You can come down to the Drifta Stockton Superstore and check it out. No worries.